So let's do a quick analysis at the end of the 1st of November. So in general, I am more interested in companies from IT sector. Yeah, हम लोग we can maybe discuss किए थे. So just for example, you can see Mindtree gave a very strong closing 5% move today. And other than that, you have also Crompton, which is in my radar, and so these two are looking really good. For Crompton, 500 is a very strong resistance. Let's see if it is able to close above it, then we would be adding more. Other than that, Coforge is all the mid cap ITs, just like also as we had discussed earlier, even large cap ITs like HCL Tech and also Alchem is looking good. LTTS also very near to 5,000. Let's see if it is able to move past it. So whatever companies I'm mentioning, Naukri also, एज लॉन्ग एज 6000 ये होल्ड करती है, ये एक बहुत अच्छी रिवर्सल यहाँ से दे सकती है. एंड स्पेशली द risk reward ratio is pretty good. Polycab also is trying to get some support from these levels, but in general I am more interested right now in IT sector. Also Voltas, we have to see if there's a follow through, because you can see this was a bearish move and then there was a consolidation, and now I am actually waiting for reversal 1200 and see if the buying comes. That would be a good sign. Also Excite Industry was able to give us a good move. Tata Steel also got a support from 1280 1300 levels, so ye bhi achhi dikh rahi hai. Persistence is definitely in my radar, and I would be tracking both IEX and Persistent for tomorrow morning first trade. PVR also is very near to its all-time high, so we should be keeping a track at it. Dr. Reddy, I think the momentum is losing is a strength. Let's see अगर ये 5000 के ऊपर closing देती है. Tech Mahindra also, like we discussed, this is a very good, it is very near to its all-time high, and still this making a good bullish pattern. And so also other than that, of course, JK Cement is also very near to its resistance. One of the very interesting thing which I saw today was Maruti. Maruti was able to open at 7400 and it closed at day's high. Also State Bank of India, we can see there's a lot of interest before its result, so this would definitely be in my radar. TCS also, so as we discussed yesterday, all the IT sector, they were able to hold the market today, so this is good. TVS Motor is the only motor company which is looking good. Escorts was good, but at least we have to see how Escorts behave in the next 1 or 2 days. In general, 1420 1430 is a very good support zone for Escorts, so अगर वो levels में आके अगर उसको support मिलती है, then we would be definitely be creating more positions. और हमारा target 1600 का था, which was met today, so we are no longer in Escorts. LTI also is looking, this can give a very good this is sort of a very good pattern, and going forward अगर ये 7000 के ऊपर closing देती है, maybe that would be a very good sort of pattern would generate, which would be really good. Other than that, आज maximum companies ही अच्छी move दिखाई है, and but I think there is some profit booking which has started in cement sector, just like ACC and Ultrachem. Similarly, I can see also there was some profit booking in Maruti. Let's see how Maruti continues, but at least Maruti was able to hold 7500 above closing, so this is good. Also, it seems like ITC is trying to get some support at 220 230 225 levels. In general, I would be more interested in the levels below of 220 for us, for me to consider it. Other than that, just like State Bank of India, even you can see Bank of Baroda is also consolidating in a very small triangle at its 52-week high. Ashok Leyland was also able to hold its ground, and similarly IRCTC also. Lots of positions are getting added, especially after the result. Let's see in which direction it moves. For now, 930 940 can act like a resistance, so let's see how that actually pans out. BPCL is also very near to its all-time high. So in general, guys, this is how I'm looking at the market, and maybe going forward we will have a much better idea once so also Canara Bank is at 220 levels. I think 220 is a good technical target. I don't have any position, but I think 220 is looking really good. Other than that, the only company in the auto sector, which also Bajaj Finance, we did a good trade from 7200 to 7500 levels. 74.50 levels, and so this was good. Hopefully, if Bajaj Finance is able to carry it forward, you can see it has been, after this big move, there has been a nice consolidation happening, and let's see if it's able to close above 7500 tomorrow. Thanks a lot for listening. Hope this video is going to give you some idea about the stocks which I'm looking and the sector which I am interested in. Bye bye.